Hey BBT community, this is Michelle. I've been part of the chat room for almost 3 years now, since it was just Andrew in the very beginning. And I've been asked to review this trade, so this is my first trade review that I'm actually doing for everybody, so please bear with me. I had Dow on my watch list after the pre-market and seeing on Benzinga that the airlines were going to have some federal relief. I saw that it was having a double bottom pattern. I tried to take it here, got stopped out really quick. Then I was watching level 2, saw that it had a big bid coming in at 27.50. And it didn't quite hit that on the second bottom. So I took it here, watching level 2, seeing that it looked like it was going to go up. I took my first 2 partials fairly quickly, just not knowing if it was going to stay weak or go back down. Kind of held on to it for a little while. Took another partial, wrote it up a little bit further, took another partial, and when it came back down, added into that, partial. Every time it came back down, I added in, watching level 2 really close. Took a couple of partials really quick after adding in, just to guarantee I got in some of the gains, then rode it for a long time. This was a level I had set that we were talking about in the chat room, right at almost at 30. I set it right under 30, hit that, kind of hung out there for a second. It looked like it was going to go to 31, looked really strong, there was a really big ask, so I added in again. And then it just toyed around with my break even. I almost got stopped out here. Just hung in by a few cents because of where I had added I added more to what I had originally had in the first place. Almost got stopped out and just waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. And finally took a partial because I was sick of waiting, and also I wanted some food. And then the last time, I could still see the 31 ask in there, but I was losing patience, and I had been in this trade for like an hour and a half. So I took my last partial, and it did actually proceed to go up quite significantly after that, but I'm really happy with this trade, and I hope that explains it well. So thank you, and goodbye.